cherubs freak me out. So I'm shopping and I'm looking at shops in Bologna. So hard to pronounce this name. For me, it's hard to pronounce. And so I think I'm gonna go into OVS and see what they have in there. They don't. I don't think there's an OVS in Udine, so I'm excited because they have a lot of shows here. Oh my gosh, they have a Muji here. Muji. I haven't been in a Muji since 2009. Yeah. 2009 is probably the last Muji I've ever been to. So there's a Muji and there's an OVS and there are all kinds of shops here that they don't have in Udine. So I'm kind of excited. I like, you know, I'm a typical girl and just like, you know, you miss things that you don't think you're gonna miss.
Insomma, ho ingoiato.
I'm continuing my walk to the center and there are so many people around. And my conclusion about Muji. In Japan, it's very affordable. In Europe, the prices are higher and not so affordable, like just okay. When it's on sale, it's good though. So I didn't end up buying anything. I didn't find anything that I needed or that I really wanted anyway. It was a small Muji. Okay, the color's off right now, but I'm in Via Indipendenza and this is a good shopping street and people are watching me, so many people. Anyways, this is a good place to shop for not very high-end things, you know? Because otherwise it is way too expensive. This is San Pietro. It is a church behind me. That's funny. There's a comedian here. He's quite good. He deserves some change, actually. Okay, so if you see behind me over there, you see one of the towers. Those old buildings around me right now are used for shops. So they're just kind of shopping, arcades, kind of just like housing shops right now at the moment. I'm gonna fix the white balance. I realize right now that it's not it's not correct. As with this camera, it's always like that. So yeah, behind me is, so I'm gonna go that way anyway, first, so towards the two towers. They were towers to show, you know, the power of Bologna. Anyways, there's also a band playing, a more rock band, and I'm going to Piazza della Mercanzia. Yeah, definitely. Well, this is the start of the market for me. Okay, I'm in front of Santo Stefano. That is Santo Stefano, and I'm in a market. I don't know what market I'm in. At this point, I'm wandering around aimlessly, and you know, we ate so much food, and we ended up being in the restaurant for 3 hours. So then it was dark, and so now I'm walking around by myself. They're all at a basketball game, and I just wanted to look around Bologna, and hopefully I'll find the shops that I was looking for. I was looking for the Sephora here, and I was looking for a famous chocolate shop that's here. Let's see if I find it. And then in these buildings, they're all just shops in them, except for the Santo Stefano, which of course is a church. I don't know if you want to go inside and see.
Lungo il torrente, su una riva e sull'altra, crescerà ogni sorta di alberi da frutto, le cui foglie non appasseranno. I loro frutti non cesseranno e ogni mese matureranno, perché le loro acque scorgano dal santuario. I loro frutti serviranno come cibo e le foglie come medicina. Parola di Dio.
So the streets around here where I am look like this basically. I found a place with less people around, yay! But the problem is that, okay, we're in the Santo Stefano area. The problem is I'm looking for Via Farini say. But my phone is running out of battery, so I can't use the navigation. I don't have a map of Bologna. I'm looking at the people watching me while I film myself and talk to myself. The streets are very beautiful around because, you know, all the buildings here are very old. So, you know, I'm in a side street right now. So hopefully I can find Via Farini say. This is the museum. the historical museum of Bologna. Okay, I'm walking in Via Farini, which has the sephora. The thing is that all the shops seem to be closed right now, and it's not even 7 o'clock. But maybe because it's Sunday, and maybe on Sunday a lot of shops are closed anyway. The Sephora in Udine closes at like 8 p.m. So it should be, I think it should be open in Bologna, which is a bigger city, but we'll see. I found a really nice piazza behind me. It's called Piazza di Freyja or something. It's dark, so I don't know if you can see right now. And here are the shops. This is the street with all the shops in it. And some of them are open as I go in this direction. As I keep walking, there are a few that are still open, but yeah, basically they all seem to be closed right now. People walking around. People in Bologna. I found Sephora. It's behind me here. It's closed. It's completely closed. Oh wow. Because I guess because it's Sunday that they close early. I was looking for it here because this is a bigger city, so the Sephora is bigger. They have more things, and probably they have more sales. And I have a 10% discount that I wanted to use, or see if I could find something to buy. Actually, there are 2 or 3 things that I'm eyeing at Sephora, but I digress. It's closed. I'm gonna take a peek inside. Okay, so this street, Via Farini, has a lot of very high-end shops like Gucci and Yves Saint Laurent and Givenchy, and they have Sephora, and they have Via del which has it's like a kind of arcade, but with like expensive shops. I didn't actually go in there. Everything's closed at the moment, so there's no point. I think I'm just gonna go find a cafe or something, and I would actually like a gelato right now, but I can't find any gelaterias around at the moment, so I'm gonna keep looking around and keep walking with the camera in my face, and people are like seriously staring at me. I'm sure that I look like a super weirdo. Ooh, Christmas decorations on that street behind me. I keep going forward. You see? So cute. I feel like it looks quite French, this street, actually. Spirito Santo, Oratorio. So, look what I found. I think that this place is definitely haunted. Look at it. Whoa. I don't know if you can see the figures on the top, but it's quite spooky. They look like maybe they're supposed to represent saints. I think that it looks like it's supposed to represent saints, the figures on the top, but I'm not sure. But the faces are pretty spooky, and then they have those little cheruby angels underneath, and cherubs freak me out. Like, they're scary to me. So there's actually another church over there. I don't know what church it is, but that one's also closed off, so I can't enter. This one's closed off. I don't think anyone can enter this one ever. I don't know. It's locked up. I'm in the Palazzo Comunale, and there's just it's covered by a wall, and inside is just this piazza, the square, and it's a very old building. It's kind of the main building that you see all around Bologna, though. I've passed by here a bunch of times already. Got lost there for a while, but I'm finding my way back to the San Pietro area again. This is the building, the old building I'm telling you about. That's the questura there, which is like where it's kind of a police station or something. That's where, like, it's a government building where you can do your passports and things. What does it mean, questura? I don't know actually. Okay. Completely by accident, I found the main piazza, which is Piazza Maggiore, and a lot of things here seem to be under construction or in renovation. So, oh wow, but it's so dark. The church behind me is actually the main church of Bologna. I think it's called Santo or San Petronio instead of San Pietro. Totally by accident. This is just a community building I'm in. Let me show you. And surprisingly, there are, shops open in these. It's a pharmacy probably, but in this old building, these old buildings, they put shops. So, I'm back home. It took 3 hours. It takes 3 hours from Udine to get to Bologna. And so, unfortunately, Sephora was closed. I couldn't use my 10% discount. And, Bologna is a bigger city and they just have a lot more shops there. But instead of Sephora, I actually ended up finding Lush. And so I bought some stuff from there. And so I'll make a haul video later. Yeah, but it's late and I'm really tired now and I walked so much and my feet hurt. I'm going to sleep. And oh my gosh, was Bologna really, really crowded. And yeah, a lot of shops were closed. A lot of shops don't open on Sunday, it seems. And then the shops that do, they will close around 7:30. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And have a good day or a good night, wherever you are. Thanks. Bye.